today I'm going to show you something very nice I bought. I'm very excited about what I bought. This is a pair of shoes for me which I ordered from Amazon. Now since I love to do brisk walking, these are sports shoes that I've ordered. I want to unbox and show you. I am very particular about my health, my walking. I do brisk walking every day for 1 hour. Okay, I'll open the box. Wow, just see. Beautiful, look here. I'm so excited. Okay, to wear and to go for my walk. Okay, I usually use the Converse, but I needed a new pair of shoes, so I asked Sephora to order for me online. See the feeling, it is gel shoes. She told me because it will be good for my feet. Okay, and I can walk fast. Look, the details are given here. If any of my viewers want to order this, you can order. The link is provided below in the description box. See, so authentic pair of shoes. Lovely. Gel shoes. Okay, it will take all the shocks of my brisk walk. Gel Nimbus 20. Okay. It is limelight, safety yellow, women's running shoes. Lovely it is. It is gel and it will take the shocks also. Just see. You know what it is? I read it to you. On discount. Yeah. Once I wear, I can give you the review of it. I'll begin wearing it from tomorrow.